Dermacol makeup cover.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you like this foundation, which is Dermacol original and the number is 222, keep watching the video. By the way, you will see what I feel about this foundation. Yeah, there is a little foundation over here. So this is the close-up.
This is the close-up of the foundation Dermacol. The shade is 222 as I have mentioned many times in this video because people keeps on asking me about the shade. So there is some paperwork and this tube is metallic like borolin and it has a matte finish, but the problem with this tube is whenever I try to take little amount of the foundation it comes out to be lot. Hence you can see how much it can spread. A little amount of foundation it can cover my full arm, but I am not doing it on a purpose. Friends, if you are thinking that the shade is lighter than my skin color, then let me tell you that my arms are tanner than my face. And let me tell you, this foundation does not feel heavy on the skin. It feels like nothing.
So this is the packing and this is the hologram, and my number is double triple two. And this is how the tube looks, quite shiny. It is matte and it is sealed. It is sealed, and with this we can just open it, and can you believe what happened? So this is the foundation here. I hope the color matches me. Please match me. This is the quantity I am using. I hope it is visible. Normally I don't dot the foundation, but it has a perfumey smell. Of what it reminds me, I don't know. So let's start blending. Okay. It looks like a mask on me. Come on. I don't want to look like this on my channel. Come on. It is just keep on blending. It is just blending and blending and blending. I think I have taken a lot of foundation on my face. Do I want this on my face?
The answer is clearly no. I never liked it. Maybe with a trial and error method I have found like by wiping it, it gives a good coverage. Even still, I feel the coverage is too much. I somehow feel that I have a mask on my face. So this is the close up. It shows to be a good foundation on camera. Like it has covered all my spots. It
First of all, let me just put the lipstick because I look crazy. Even for bridal use, I don't think it is useful. Why do you want to mask up your face behind this foundation? Okay. Well, now I don't like it. Let me just do something. Guys, foundation is on everywhere, whatever I'm touching. Even on the brush, here. I thought it is not transferable, but it is. Let's contour, guys. I am using crayon. Yeah. Now it is visible that I have a nose because it has covered everything, like literally everything. Maybe I am using a full coverage foundation for the first time, I don't know. The product. Do I like Dermacol as foundation? Like on camera, you love it. There is no spot, everything is covered, everything is good. But when I see the mirror, it looks good there also, but this is not my type of a foundation which I want. I like my real skin to peep out through the foundation, like sheer foundation. Yeah, I know it is a full coverage foundation and I am reviewing a full coverage foundation, but as the time passes, the foundation does look beautiful on you, but for me it's a no. I don't like this foundation. Maybe I'll try again on another day with a different location or maybe different climate. Right now it's hot here. It is summers and I don't think the foundation is moving anywhere. It is budge proof. Okay guys, as it goes for me, it's a no. I don't like the foundation. So if you find this video helpful, do like and subscribe and do share.